Hi everyone, welcome back to Ayu's channel. Finally, it's spring now in Sweden. Today I'm sketching some spring flowers which grew in early April. The weather is now around 2 until 6 degrees. Last week it was still cold and it rained a lot, but today it's very sunny and the sun shining. I'm now walking behind my house and taking some photos and videos for my drawing inspiration. Look at those beautiful tiny flowers. In Sweden call it blommor, means spring flowers. They bloom in early of April, then die in summer because too hot for them. Those called in Crocus in Swedish or the Crocus genus in English. They usually grow in the Middle East, Central Asia, China and Pakistan, but also the spring crocus, which is a very common garden plant in Sweden. This one called hyacinth. They have 3 different colors, white, blue and pink, and what we see now is the pink one. Next to it there is a daffodil flowers, or it is called påsklilia in Swedish. The long, narrow leaves are slightly grayish-green in color and rise from the base of the stem.
Försiktig! Ja. Oj.
I tried to draw using a drawing pen and watercolor. This drawing book is not a special paper for watercolor paint, so it's very difficult to blend the color because the paper will rub quickly, so it's not really recommended for watercolor paint. Yeah, well, at least I have tried, and here are some of the results. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can remind it and not miss out on the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'm sending love and light wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.